हाँ जरूर सुनी है।
कुछ नए,
कुछ पुराने,
नए हैं अंदाज,
अलग है मिजाज।
तो शुरू करते हैं ये सफर
एक नए पर्व के साथ। हाय, आई एम सिद्धि, योर ओन आरजे।
एंड आई एम तनिष्का आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक। सिद्धि, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? नए क्लास, नए फ्रेंड्स, नए टीचर्स, हाउ इज द न्यू चेंज ट्रीटिंग यू?
ऑनेस्टली सब कुछ एकदम नया लग रहा है, ऐसा मानो जैसी नई दुनिया मिल गई हो।
तो चलो इस नए दुनिया के साथ एक नया सफर करते हैं।
Today is not about memorizing points or sounding intelligent for marks. Today is something much more real. Those moments when your mind is blank and yet you're expected to speak like everything is under control. We have all been there, right? That awkward pause, that shaky voice, that sudden feeling of मैंने हाथ ही क्यों उठाया? So instead of pretending we are perfect speakers, today we are going to talk about how to handle those imperfect, messy, very human moments.
And I am here to make sure Siddhi doesn't get too deep and make everyone question their life choices. But honestly, what she said is true. Because हर बच्चे के साथ ऐसा होता है. Opinions, ideas, jokes, even complaints कोई कर नहीं पाता. But even the real struggle is not having thoughts, it's expressing them without sounding confused, nervous or completely lost. And the funny part is, we don't realize how important this is until we are suddenly asked to speak in front of others, and then it hits us. सब जानना और सब explain करना अलग है. So today, instead of just talking, we are going to take you through a journey, a story, and some very real situations that might just feel a little too relatable.
Let's begin with a situation that almost everyone fears, but no one can escape. Imagine this. You're sitting peacefully in class, not making eye contact with the teacher, and suddenly, तुम अपना नाम सुनते हो. Not in a good way. In that, come here and explain it. और उस exact moment में तुम्हारा दिमाग कुछ मैजिकल करता है. पता है क्या? It disappears completely. Your heartbeat becomes louder than your thoughts.
And the worst part, ऐसा भी नहीं है तुम्हें आंसर नहीं पता है. तुम्हें पता है. तुमने अपने दोस्त को बस 5 मिनट पहले ही समझाया है. But suddenly, when all eyes are on you, your confidence just quietly walks away like it was never yours to begin with. That moment is not about knowledge, it's about control.
Let me tell you about Anna. बस एक normal student, nothing extraordinary. हमारी तरह थी, capable but unsure. एक दिन वो स्टेज पे खड़ी हुई स्पीच कंपटीशन के लिए. She had practiced everything perfectly. उसकी lines clear थी, introduction strong था, all for first few seconds everything felt right. And then suddenly her mind went blank. Not the one I forgot one line blank. पूरी तरीके से blank.
Now this is where most people would panic. कुछ सॉरी बोलेंगे, कुछ पीछे हट जाएंगे, कुछ completely freeze हो जाएंगे. Because panic has a way of convincing you that एक mistake और सब कुछ खत्म. But Anya did something different, something small but powerful. She took a breath, smiled lightly and said something very honestly. Looks like my brain just decided to take a short break. Give me a second.
And suddenly the silence broke. Not with judgment but with laughter. In that moment, she didn't look weak. वो real लग रही थी. She looked confident enough to admit a mistake without being controlled by it. And that changed everything. उसने अपनी speech continue की and walked off, not as a girl who forgot, but as a girl who handled it beautifully. That's what staying calm does. Staying calm problems remove नहीं करता. It changes how people see you in those problems.
Now let's move to something even more unpredictable than just forgetting lines. Your emotion. Because let's be honest, emotion rules follow नहीं करता. One moment you are perfectly fine, फिर तुमको irritation, nervousness, सब कुछ, overthinking that doesn't even matter in things. And the problem is not feeling emotions. That's natural. The problem is when those emotions start controlling you, how you speak, how you react, and how others perceive you.
Think about this. Have you ever answered someone in a tone you didn't even realize you were using? और ऐसे रिएक्ट किया है कि तुम्हें बाद में सोचना पड़ा, अरे मैंने ऐसा बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए था. That's emotional control missing in action. And for an RJ और honestly जिसको भी communication skill ठीक करनी है, This skill is extremely important because तुम्हारी voice but words carry नहीं करती. It carries your emotion. और बस लोग ये नहीं सुनते कि तुम क्या कह रहे हो, वो फील करते हैं तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो.
Anya realized this too. After a stage experience, she understood one thing. Her biggest challenge wasn't forgetting words, it was how fear affected her voice. So she started working on it, not in big, dramatic ways, but in small, consistent habits. Before speaking, she would pause, she would breathe, she would remind herself that nervousness is normal, but losing control is a choice.
And slowly something changed. Situations जो उसे एक बार anxious करते थे, अब manageable feel होने लग गए. Not easy, but manageable. And that's the goal. Emotional control का मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम nervous feel नहीं करो, angry feel नहीं करो और upset feel नहीं करो. It means those emotions don't decide your action. You do. And that one shift, one decision changes everything.
Now here's a skill that doesn't look impressive on the outside but creates the biggest difference on the inside. Observing without speaking. इस दुनिया में जहाँ हर कोई बात करना चाहता है, जो सुनता है वही महान है.
Most of us listen just to reply. हम पहले से सोच रहे होते हैं हमें क्या reply करना है. But what's being said, we never heard that. But when you observe, really observe, तुम notice करने लगते हो जो बाकी लोग miss करते हैं. You notice when people lose interest, when they get confused, when they connect and when they don't. And that awareness changes the way you speak.
Anya started doing this too. She began watching other speakers, not copy them, but समझने की कोशिश की उसने. She noticed that people don't remember perfect sentence. They remembered relatable moments. They didn't connect with complicated words. They connected with simple, honest expressions. And slowly, she stopped trying to sound impressive and started trying to sound real.
And that's where her communication completely changed. Because now she wasn't just speaking at people, she was speaking with people.
And finally, that skill brings everything together. Explaining yourself clearly. Because at the end of the day, what matters is not how much you know, but how well you can make others understand it.
We have all experienced this. एक आंसर बहुत अच्छे से दिमाग में आता है, लेकिन उसे बाहर निकालने के लिए कितनी कंफ्यूजन होती है. Words get mixed, thoughts lose structure, and suddenly something simple becomes confusing. That's not lack of knowledge. That's lack of clarity.
We all experience this, knowing an answer perfectly in our mind, but struggling to explain it out loud. Words get mixed up, thoughts lose structure, and something simple.
And slowly, people started listening to her differently. Not because she used big words, but because she made things easy to understand.
So if you're sitting there thinking, I'm not confident, I can speak like that, just remember, कोई भी perfect नहीं है.
Every confident speaker जो तुमने आज तक देखा है, वो भी कभी अपनी लाइन भूले हैं, कभी नर्वस हुए हैं और कभी खुद को डाउट किया है.
बस अलग बात ये है, वो कभी रुके नहीं.
So next time your name is called, तुम्हारी voice shake करे, तुम्हारा दिमाग blank हो जाए,
पीछे मत हटो.
step forward anyway.
Because your voice doesn't need to be perfect.
It just needs to be heard.
And who knows?
The moment you're most afraid to speak might be the moment everyone remembers you. You have been listening to us on KBC Radio.
We are here where voices aren't just spoken, they are felt.
I'm Siddhi
And I'm Kanishka.
signing off. But your voice, they are just getting started.